Number 1.
When precision matters down to the last screw, you need torque control and the flexibility to adjust torque values with the torque screwdriver from Capri Tools. While competitors measure in 5-inch-pound increments, our screwdriver measures in 1-inch-pound increments for total precision control. And with a torque range of 10 to 50 inch-pounds, you'll be ready to take on any job. Our screwdriver has a torque tolerance of plus or minus 6% accuracy, calibrated to ISO 6789 standards. Included is a set of 20 bits to handle any task, and a T-bar handle for when you need more leverage, and torque comfortably with an ergonomic soft grip handle. So when you need to meet specific torque requirements in your build, trust in our torque screwdrivers from Capri Tools.
Number 2. Number 3.